Hey, everyone! And welcome back to the channel.
Have you ever felt that pressure to choose between hitting the books and having fun? It's a classic dilemma, right? We're often told that success means sacrificing play for study, or that having fun means you're not serious about your goals. But what if that's all wrong? What if the real secret to a happy, successful life isn't about choosing one over the other, but about beautifully blending the two? Today, we're going to explore how balancing focused learning with joyful play can unlock our true potential. Imagine this. A student, let's call her Lila, completely absorbed in her classroom. She's not just memorizing facts. She's connecting ideas. Her curiosity is alive, and you can see the genuine satisfaction on her face. This is the power of engaged learning. It's not a chore. It's an adventure.
When we find subjects that truly fascinate us, studying stops feeling like a duty and starts feeling like a discovery.
It is. That deep dive into a topic that lights up our brain and makes us feel capable and smart. This focus is a superpower. It allows us to build skills, understand the world more deeply, and lay the foundation for our future selves. Now, picture the same student, Lila, a few hours later.
The books are put away, and she's outside with her friends.
The intense focus has melted away, replaced by pure, unadulterated joy.
She's laughing, running, and completely present in the moment. This isn't just wasting time.
This is essential. Play is where we learn social skills, resilience, and creativity. It's how we recharge our minds and bodies. Think about it. Some of the best ideas come to us when we're relaxed, walking in nature, or just having a good time with people we care about.
Play is the brain's reset button, allowing it to process all the information we've learned and come back even stronger. So here's the magic. It's not study versus play.
It's study! Asterisk and asterisk play. See how these two worlds complement each other?
The discipline from studying helps us appreciate our free time more, while the creativity and energy from play refuel our ability to focus. One without the other is incomplete.
All work and no play leads to burnout. All play and no work can leave us feeling adrift.
The real goal is to create a rhythm, a dance between concentration and relaxation.
When Leela switches from her desk to the park, she's not abandoning her goals. She's fueling them. The joy from her playtime makes her a more engaged and energetic student when she returns to her books. And that's the ultimate takeaway. True fulfillment comes from living a whole life. It's about embracing the quiet moments of deep thought and the loud moments of pure happiness. It's about building a life where your mind is challenged and your spirit is free. Look at Lila, confident and smiling. She's not just a good student or a fun friend. She's both. She has found the harmony that allows her to thrive in every part of her life. So I encourage you, find your own balance. Schedule your study time, but also schedule your fun. Honor your commitment to your goals and honor your need for joy. You'll be amazed at how much more you can achieve and how much happier you'll be along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time!